loud. I'm black and I'm proud. Hey. Dum, 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 dum. Say it loud. I'm black and I'm proud. Hey. Say it loud. I'm black and I'm proud. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Mimi Brown. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. Today, I just felt like, you know, doing a little black lip. I mean, I know it's getting ready to be spring, but it's just like, in makeup, you get to do what you want to do. So, that's what I'm going to do. This is Loudmouth Say It Loud right here, which is this beautiful black lipstick. And if you all would like to see how I created this look, then please go ahead and keep watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. And don't forget to comment and let me know what other type of videos you all would like to see next. And I'm gonna go ahead and get into this face, okay? I did purchase these, it's by Whoosh Beauty, and it is the even eye stencils. And this is just to like keep from having a bunch of fallout. And then it also helps to kind of like really make your lines a lot sharper. I am going to use my Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to prime my eye first using this Urban Decay eye primer potion right here. So I'm going to go in first with, I believe, this pretty brownish purpley color right here. It's kind of like a really deep brown, like kind of patting the color on first and then swiping. So that's what I'm going to try to do. So we're dabbing the color in and then blending. And I'm actually going to put that pretty much like all over in my crease. And then I'm going to go in, like I said, with this like lighter brown right here. Is that brown? Yeah, it's kind of brownish pinky. And then I'm not really brushing very hard around that line to kind of blend it out a little bit. Okay, so right here, what I am trying to do is something that I saw on one of Nikkie Tutorials, which I will have her video where she did this listed in the description box below if you all would like to see what I'm trying to do, okay? But I'm trying to make the top part of this kind of cut crease a lot wider. She called it like a halo. I'm gonna call it more like a twister halo because it's wider at the top and then it gets more narrow as it goes down. So that is what I'm trying to do right now with this concealer, and this is in the color Pure Beige. I'm going to try to go back in just a little bit before I apply the color that I'm going to put in the center and do a little bit more dabbage, so that darker brown. I'm going to mix some of this even deeper brown in there. And now I am going to go ahead and dab this really pretty gold right here. I'm going to dab that in the center. I'm going to take this little flat brush right here and I'm going to take a little bit of Fix Plus. I'm going to go right up to the very top of this without going to the top, if that makes sense. Not all the way to the top of it. And dragging it down. Something like that. Now that I have twisters on my eyes of Goldie Bear, I'm gonna try to clean this eye up a little bit because it's kind of, I don't know if it's speaking in tongues or what, but it's not what the other eye is doing. So I'm gonna try to fix it up or something. And then I'm going to go in with a shimmery color like right at the very top. Use this by Revlon, and this is the Photo Ready Eye Art. It is the color Burnished Bling. So we're just gonna try this little shimmery stuff and see if I can draw a line. I know how I am with straight lines, so we'll see what we can do, okay? Just gonna go right across the top where I left that little bit of concealer showing. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do the rest of my face. I'm going to start off color correcting with the LA Pro Girl Concealer in the color Orange.
This is the Kat Von D Lock-It foundation, and I'm mixing that with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. So I am going to use my ColourPop concealer right here, and this is in the color Deep Golden. You know, gotta get that cheekbone. That cheekbone is important, honey. It's important. I'm not gonna put a lot though. I saw somebody do this, so I'm gonna see what this does. They did it like that. I'm gonna see what that does. I don't know. I'm going to immediately go right back in, and I'm going to take my MAC Fix, and this in the color NW45. I can't really hold it all the way up because, as y'all can see, the struggle is real, okay? And I'm just gonna wipe all of that away. And I barely put my brush in that makeup, just, you know, enough to get rid of some of the yellow. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of bronzer, and this is the CoverGirl Queen collection in the color Ebony Bronze, same one I've used. I'm just gonna kind of brush that on there. Not a lot, just a little bit, you know. Let's warm the forehead up a little bit. That 5 head, 6 head, 8 head, whatever. It's a whole lot of forehead situations. So I just went back in with some of that brown right here.
And I am going to use, I have like literally like fallen in love with this AnGlowla, so we gonna AnGlowla it up so we can hear that Glola clap, y'all know. Like, I just really want to use a black lip today because I've never like actually worn a black lip, and it's calling my name. So I am going to go in with Loud Mouths. Say it loud. I'm black and I'm proud. Hey, all right, James Brown. The pigment is so real, always, like. So I'm just trying to clean up where I messed up. Got to clean up what I messed up, because you know I kind of messed up right there. Starting my life again.
Okay guys, this is the final look. I hope you all have enjoyed watching my video today, and don't forget to comment and let me know what type of videos and looks you all would like to see next. All of the products that I used in today's videos will be listed in the description box below. Also, don't forget to go and check out Loudmouth's lip frostings, because when I tell you they are giving me all kinds of life right now, okay? But seriously, don't forget, taking the first step can be the hardest step, but it can also be the most rewarding. Go ahead, step out on faith, trust God to see you through, and know that everything else will fall into place. And while you're at it, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that share button. Let's go ahead and make this channel a success. Until next time, peace, love, and blessings. I'll see you all later. Stay beautiful. Bye.